Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a Chevy Equinox. We're going to start right away up front where you have nice chrome accents in the grille. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Kelly Edge tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. We're going to take a look inside of the hatch. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise audio and Bluetooth controls are here. Full stereo. Climate control and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Equinox on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.